To assemble your recumbent bike, set the front frame on the floor and fit the front base tube beneath the curved bracket on the front end. Align the tube so that the screw holes in the tube and bracket align, and fasten together on each side by fitting a base carriage bolt up through the tube and bracket, then secure with a curved washer and a cap nut. Next, set the rear frame on the floor and fit the rear base tube beneath the curved bracket on the end. Align the tube so that the screw holes in the tube and bracket align, and fasten together on each side by fitting a base carriage bolt up through the tube, the bracket, and a curved washer before securing with a cap nut. Then you'll bring together the front and rear ends of the frame and connect the two wires in the rear frame to the wire sockets in the front. The front wire sockets may be tucked inside the rectangular frame, so you'll need to gently pull them into position. Either wire can be connected to either socket. Next, you'll slide the end of the rear frame into the open rectangular front frame. Align the length adjustment holes in the two frames and lock the frames into place by screwing the positioning knob into the aligned holes. This can be used later to adjust the distance between the seat and the pedals as needed. Remove the 4 frame Allen bolts and flat washers from the base of the seat frame. Then, position the seat frame in the mounting socket on top of the rear frame and secure it into place using the 4 Allen bolts and flat washers you just removed. Then, remove the 4 frame Allen bolts and flat washers located on the underside of the seat pad. Once removed, position the seat pad onto the frame and secure it in place using the 4 Allen bolts and flat washers. Repeat the same steps with the backrest. Position and attach to the seat frame using the 4 Allen bolts and flat washers. Next, you'll position the seat handlebar into the square bracket on the underside of the seat frame and secure it in place using 2 handlebar carriage bolts, flat washers, and cap nuts. Make sure the handlebar is fitted with the metal heart rate sensors facing up. Once secured, connect the 2 pulse wires from the seat handlebar to the matching wires protruding from the rear frame. Next, attach the foot straps to each pedal. Screw the left and right pedals to the matching sides of the crank on the front base, with the left and right lining up to how a user would sit on the bike. You'll also find left and right indicators located on each pedal strap. Please note, you will need to turn the left pedal counterclockwise to install it. Be careful not to cross-thread the pedals into the threaded sockets. Locate and remove the Allen bolt and curved washers located on the side of the front frame tube, where you'll secure the handlebar post. Next, feed the 3 wire extensions through the post for the display. Pull the tension control line through the middle hole of the post. This is where the tension knob will be installed later. Lastly, connect the 3 wire extensions to the 3 wires protruding out of the neck of the front frame. Connect the handlebar post to the front frame and secure in place using 4 frame Allen bolts and curved washers. Locate the tension adjuster and remove the curved backing bracket. Connect the tension adjuster to the tension cable by inserting the small metal bead on the end of the cable to the back of the tension adjuster and into the wire catch on the bottom of the tension adjuster cable bracket. Fit the tension knob into the center rectangular hole. Position the tension adjuster cap on the back side of the handlebar post opposite the tension adjuster and secure in place with a small flat washer and long Phillips screw. Next, you'll attach the handlebar onto the handlebar post so that the bars point up and the holes in the mounting bracket line up with those on the post. Then, fit the bracket cover over the brackets. Secure the handlebar in place using 2 handlebar Allen bolts and spring washers. Remove the 4 Phillips screws and flat washers located on the back side of the display screen. Connect the 2 pulse wires and the sensor wire from the top of the handlebar post to the matching wires on the back of the display. Then, position the display on the mounting bracket at the top of the handlebar post and secure it in place with the 4 Phillips screws and flat washers. Then tighten using the provided multi-tool. Install the AAA batteries into the back of the display and you're all set. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. For more information and other great products, visit us at vivehealth.com.